Hello everyone, in this video we will see the Gates Cambridge Scholarship available for international students, which is fully funded scholarship available for international students. We will see the details about the scholarship, how many scholarships are available, eligibility criteria, timelines, when to apply, and also the criteria they are asking specifically for this scholarship. We will see all these details in this video. Don't skip this video, keep watch the video for all the details available for 2022 scholarship. Applications are now open for 2022. You can start applying. Gates Cambridge Scholarship is fully funded scholarship for international students. Gates Scholarship is available for Masters and PhD studies, certain exceptions applicable. This scholarship provides up to £17,000 stipend per annum with all the insurance, academic development fund and also family maintenance fund up to £10,000. Gates Cambridge Scholarship Program started in the year 2000 after Melinda Bill Gates Foundation gave around $210 million donation to University of Cambridge. After this scholarship was started. Every year, around 80 full-time scholarships for outstanding applications from countries outside UK can apply for the scholarship for any course within University of Cambridge. The selection criteria for this scholarship is outstanding intellectual ability, reason for choice of your course, why you are choosing this course, a commitment to improve the lives of others, that's a purpose, and also a leadership potential expected for the candidate. These are the main selection criteria. Gates University Cambridge Scholarship not only provides only the full-time study cost, it also have a discretionary additional funding cost for some exceptional candidates which is available to apply, but it's based on certain conditions. Main fully funded parts are the university fees, which is up to £17,000 for 12 months, and also for PhD course they will give award for or the money for around 4 years, and your flight charge, one economy return fare, and also all the visa cost, immigration surcharge costs, all will be given in this scholarship. Apart from core funding, discretionary funding is also available for academic development funding up to £2,000 depending on the length of your course. Family allowance, if you have a child or if you have two child, it can be up to £14,000, but no funding for partner. Fieldwork charges also being given to you if you are doing a maintenance allowance while field work. These are all part of the scholarship. Discretionary funding also includes maternity, paternity funding up to 6 months during your course of your study, and also it includes hardship fund, which is for unforeseen circumstances, difficulties in the facing the particular person who is doing the scholarship. They also give a hardship funding. Coming to the part of who can apply, a citizen from anyone outside the UK can apply for this course. That is the full-time residential course at the University of Cambridge. It can be postgraduate or a PhD course. There are some exceptions to certain course. You can find those details in the website which I have given in the description. Gates University Cambridge Scholarship also given details of what are the courses not eligible for the scholarship. That details is in this slide. You can see that the more details available in the website if you want to detail view. To get this scholarship, the criteria they have set is very high standard. The academic excellence they are expecting to be at very high standard. So you need to show evidence of academic excellence throughout your previous studies through transcripts, references, experience, and also how much your potential to succeed on the chosen course. That's one thing. Also, the reason for the choice of this course. If you have selected a certain course in University of Cambridge, you should be able to make a strong case for that particular postgraduate degree. Why you have selected the course, how you are going to achieve the course, what is the outcome of this course, what you are going to do after the course. All those things you have to give in a write-up. That will be part of your eligibility criteria. It is in a very high standard, so make sure you do a homework well properly to get this scholarship. The criteria is very high, so you have to have a clear commitment and show a commitment that you are doing this course to improve the life of others. This is not just a scholarship where you finish the scholarship and go and do a monthly job, paid job, but they are expecting something more than that, where you have to show that after finishing this you will go and improve the life of others in a positive way, and also they are expecting a leadership quality for the candidate that should be defined in this course, which is improving the lives of people, and then the capacity of leadership should be showcased in your application. What are the timelines to apply for this Gates University Cambridge Scholarship for 2022. The timelines given in this video is only applicable for non-USA students and non-UK students, that is students other than UK and USA. These timelines are applicable. The timelines to apply for 2022 is already open from 2nd September 2021. So the deadline to complete your application is 2nd December or 6th January. More details, you please go and see the website. So it's between December to January. You need to finish all the paperwork for this scholarship. So you will get a decision about the scholarship whether you have gone through by February and March. Then you have to apply for the visa and all those things by March. Where to apply for this course? The details given in the slide, as well as I have given the details in the description. You can go and apply. The applying process is simple. It's like applying for University of Cambridge, but where you have to give more details about the scholarship you are going to apply. You have to very carefully follow the steps given here so that you don't miss any specific documentation. So you have to apply at the college website as part of the normal course. Then you have to apply for this funding section where you give the Gates Cambridge funding section, and then you have to create an account in the website, fill in your personal details, submit these details. You have to prepare a Gates Cambridge statement with around 3000 characters, and then explain why you are applying, what the reason for applying, why you chosen the course. You have to apply all those things. You have to give a CV, resume. You have to upload that. For PhD applications, that's different kind of a process. You have to give a lot of references, academic references for your scholarship, and you have to answer all the questions, submit the application, then you will get a acknowledgement. As I mentioned, there is no separate portal or website for Gates Cambridge University Scholarship. You have to apply in the University Graduate Application Portal by creating an account, and then fill all the details, references, CV, and your previous all academic statements. You have to provide all these things, and then in the funding section you have to mention that you are applying for the Gates Cambridge funding, so that will be considered for your application as a funding source. And then you have to review the application, submit the application, and then they will process the application, come back to you for any questions, or if everything is fine, they will ask you for interview. Then you will be given a response as per the timelines I mentioned in the previous slides. Hope the information given in this video helps you to understand about the Gates University Cambridge scholarship, and also the details about the criteria, application criteria, eligibility criteria, timelines. Hope this helps you. So once you have done all the groundwork, and then you follow up with the paperwork, how they select the candidates for this Gates University scholarship, they are detailed in the website. So they will rank the candidates as per their academic outstanding considerations. That's one thing. And then they do an interview of the candidates who are applied. All the candidates as per the ranking will have a short interview for Gates Cambridge criteria, which I mentioned before. If you are called for interview, so interview will be 20 to 25 minutes depending on where are you from. So it will be a Skype interview or a Zoom interview, or basically a video conference interview. So once they have done the interview, then they will review all the applications and then provide you a feedback. In the sense, for selected candidates, they will be ask them to come back and then apply further process, but they will not be providing feedback for all other candidates who have not gone through that. The timelines page clearly shows the details of when they will be able to give you the offer details for the international students. Hope this video helped you in getting the Gates University Cambridge scholarship for 2022, which is open now. Hope this helps you. We will see in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye.